Here's how to create clean, eye-catching product shots in just a few steps. Start by choosing a product launch template that fits your brand and style. Next, select the placeholder image. Then using the replace icon, you can replace it with your product image. Use the AI background remover to instantly clear clutter and make your product stand out. Resize and reposition your design till everything looks just right. When you're done, publish it instantly across all social media platforms. And that's it, professional product shots, made simple with PosterMyWall.